In today's world, high amounts of complex content is being delivered to all kinds of screens and devices. If a traditional CMS is too rigid for your complex project, then a headless CMS may be the answer. Write once, reuse everywhere. Today we'll show you Contentful, a headless CMS, which gives you the flexibility and the speed you need. What made Contentful stand out to us? 1. Cloud-based platform. 2. The content is modular. 3. It responds to API calls. In sum, Contentful is flexible, faster, reliable, and delivers content to any platform that content is played or displayed. As we work with Contentful, we talk of content as Lego pieces. The content is broken into small reusable blocks. If a new requirement comes up, you can use the same content block, just arrange it differently. Putting it into practice, we localize the Brazil Child's Health website. This NGO works to break the cycle of hospital readmissions of critically ill children from low-income backgrounds. By localizing their single-language website, we can help them garner a large reach and continue to make an impact. To prepare for localization, we analyze the components of the existing webpage, and we look for two things: reusable chunks of content, reusable visual components.
Localization and translation in Contentful is very easy. Under Settings, we add the locale to the space. We enable the locale in the specified content model. This is very useful because we got to choose which entries we want to translate. For example, I want my titles to be translated for every blog post, but not the author. Once the locale has been set up and enabled, adding translations is done with a user-friendly and sophisticated entry editor side by side with the source content. We can add permissions to different fields to different translators and editors. Contentful also integrates directly with various translation management systems, and through their API tokens, integrations are possible virtually with every system. However, because we wanted to demonstrate the whole life cycle of a localization workflow and we used Gatsby.js as a front-end, we needed to get down to a code level and find a solution to internationalize our Gatsby template so that our content from Contentful can be displayed seamlessly. We have been playing around a few I18N solutions, and at the end we got down to two. We use an I18N plugin for Gatsby and we optimize our template for receiving translations in the other language. This was rather challenging and we broke the code many times. At the end we chose an already localized multilingual Gatsby template and we connected it to Contentful so that instead of messing up with the codes all the times, the site's content was fed by Contentful.
Here's some comparing points on the two CMSs we researched, and it was taken from the Contentful website. Essentially, headless CMS is not for everyone, but from the localization and internationalization point of view, it would require a good grasp of coding and decoupled content structure understanding. It's mainly geared towards digital builders that produces content for diverse platforms and authors and developers that want to work in parallel. According to the 4-star Wave report on Agile Content Management Systems, Contentful have what it takes to cater to digital content producers that are trying to move away from the traditional CMS. We found headless CMS challenging to understand at first because we were so used to the blogging style of WordPress. A manager might find it difficult to implement internationalization and localization to the code. Then the suggested uses would be for digital content creators with the development knowledge that are looking for a personalized experience to implement their products and content into varied platforms. Thank you for watching.